channel.
So I'm gonna get started with this. Look at all the slimes. Look. Let's get started with this one. Ooh, look at this pinky color. And there. Now let's move on to this one where I've put some containers. Now for this blue one. And this pink color. And this kind of gold one. Now for this gray one. And this green one. And the pink one. And the gold one again. Now for the gold one again. And the silver one. And this pretty color one. Kind of this big gold one. Now this kind of mermaid looking one. And the red sparkly one. And last, this blue color one. And this gold one. Purpley. Over there. And this blue color one. And this grey one. And this gold one again. Here. Now this pink one. Here. This green one. Here. And this like dark green one can go here. Ooh, now for this a blue sparkly one. And this pink one. Here. And this white sparkly one. Here. And then this green one. Here. And then this bluish, darkish one. It can go here. And then this purpley, pinky one can go here. And the final, last one is this goldish glitter. Time for glitter. Let's start with black. Oh, there's a lot in there and it's kind of like a nice shade of black. And now for the silver one. And that's so pretty. Cool. That looks amazing. And let's do this turquoise one. That's done. Now for this dark blue one. Ooh, that looks so good. Wait, let's take it all up. And this green one looks cool. Let's try this green one. Wow, that looks so amazing. Let's try this red one. That looks super pretty. And this purple one. And then this silver one, which I kind of got spilled out. Just and last but not least, this gold one. So pretty. Look, it looks so beautiful. It looks like a mermaid color. I love the color. It's so amazing. I'm gonna be mixing it in now. Mazara kard kadam. And now I'm gonna be mixing it in. Look how pretty this is. Wow, it looks amazing. Let's keep on mixing. Cool. This looks so cool. I think the color will be pink or purple again. Let's mix. Let's mix it in. Cool. I think maybe it's gonna be really glittery. Wow. It's hard to poke, but it's still good. Ooh. Look, it's really good.